Gorgeous open water views from the 0.861-acre waterfront lot on the peninsula. Wonderful trees, great building site and sellers are installing a steel retaining. The Shores is an exclusive Richland Chambers Lake community with no time limit to build with your choice of builders. Community amenities include gated entry, private boat launch, boat slips, and day marina, private beach and stocked lake, clubhouse with resort-style pool and fitness center, conservation areas, high-speed internet access, underground utilities, central water system, and protective covenants.